Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be implementing the chat method cell, which is this one. We will be implementing the chat bubble with the message text and the time. So that said, let's start coding, and I think this is where we left in the last video. So we will go to our chat view, and here inside our scroll view we will create a vstack. And inside my vstack I will have a section with a header, so section with content and header, which is this one. Okay, for the header it will be a capsule, or before I do the section I will also add a for each, because you don't expect to have only one, you expect many, with the number of sections depending on the message group or the number of message group we will have later. So for now let's make it only one, but let's do the for each anyway. Okay, perfect. Capsule dot fill with color of dot system gray 5. Okay, perfect. We will also give it a frame with width and height. For the width it will be 120, for the height 44, and for the alignment we don't need it. Okay, perfect. And we will also add dot overlay, so we can write above it, and we will add a text above it. For now let's make it a static value. What is the one we display here? 524, so 524. Okay, perfect. Now inside my section, the content, we need another for each, and we will display our chat message cell. So for each, let's make it for now 0 to 3. Okay, and I apologize. We need to create a chat message cell, so new file, a swiftui view, and let's call it chat message cell. Okay, now we need to call our chat message cell, and hopefully everything will be working perfectly. So let's wait for it and hope again that everything is working the way it should be. Okay, perfect. On my entire vstack I want to add dot padding of dot top. Okay, perfect. The other thing now, I need to start working on my chat message cell, which is this one. So as you can see, it's a vstack. Inside my vstack I got two text. First one, let's write hello Dwight, or hello Wanda, I think in our case. After that we got another text, or a stack. And how I'm going to do this, as you can see, the time, and I will rewrite the text, but it will have a clear foreground style, then the time. That way it's aligned perfectly. So I will copy this, and I will give it a foreground style of dot clear. After that we will have another text, and it will have the time of, for now it's 10 for example, with a foreground style of dot gray and a font of dot footnote. Okay, perfect. Beautiful, the way I want it. Okay, the vstack also will have, I forgot, an alignment of dot leading, and spacing of -15. Okay, perfect. After that, to my entire v stack, I will give it a font of dot subheadline, which is perfect. I will also give it a frame with max width and alignment. The max width, of course, will be dot infinity, and the alignment for now is dot trailing, which is perfect, beautiful. After that, let me check what else we want. Okay, we probably want a padding that is horizontal, so we'll also add dot padding of dot horizontal. Okay, perfect. We will probably need a background color, so it's background with color of peach, and it's a color that you can find in my asset folder here. So we got in a folder called color, we got the peach color, and that's how we call it. Okay, we will need the padding, so we will add dot padding of 12. Okay, beautiful, I think, for now. Okay, padding of 12, I think it's perfect. Another thing is we will probably also need the clip shape, so let's go and implement the clip shape. So to do so, we will go to our view, we will create a new file, it will be a Swift file, we will call it chat bubble. Okay, perfect. We will import swiftui, and here we will have a struct, call it chat bubble of type shape, and here we need to call our method path or our function path. Here we'll create let path equal UI bezier path, and with the one with rounded rectangle by rounding corners and corner radius. For rounded rectangle, we will pass the argument of rect. So for by rounding corners, okay, as you can see, the corners that are rounded are the one in the top, so top left and top right, and also the one in the bottom left here, so it will be dot top right, dot top dot top left, and dot bottom left. And for the corner radius, it will be a CG size of with width and height of 16, which make it perfect. And of course we need to return a path with our path, so with path dot cg path. Okay, so it's perfect. Now all I need is to call my clip shape, so here you can add dot clip shape, and here we call chat bubble, and perfect, beautiful, I think. If I go to my chat view here, you can see that it's perfect, it's beautiful, at least for now it's good enough, and it's very similar to the one we got here. Maybe in the next video I will show you how to handle the case when it's not us who send the message, when we receive the message. But for now I think it's really perfect. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and as always, stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.